Good morning everyone and happy Valentine's Day. I am back. It has been a little while since I've vlogged properly, but today is a super exciting day because not only is it the day of love, but it is also the day that me and Sam are going to Savvy and Sand to pick out our wedding rings. So Savvy and Sand is where Sam chose my engagement ring. If you've not seen my video on that before, I will link it below. And they have just opened a new boutique on Bond Street. So we are going there today to shop wedding rings and hopefully choose ours. My ring is still sparkling and I recently got my nails done with Urban. It's like an app where you can book a therapist to come to your house and they do like massage, manicure and everything. So I got a gel manicure and I absolutely love it. I've got a little discount code so you can get 15% off your first use with them and I will pop it in the description. You've got to have nice nails when you're going wedding ring shopping. Am I right? I'm right. Happy Valentine's Day!
I didn't see that.
Did you get me a card?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's you're gonna get it later.
Okay, he ordered one, but it's not come yet.
You'll have it later.
Bitch,
You'll have it on Valentine's Day. It's unusual, okay?
Yeah, I know. I'm only joking.
I normally am really
Also, we're not even
very busy, okay? Give me a break.
I've said happy Valentine's Day, but we don't really celebrate Valentine's Day anyway. I did get Sam a card though, and he has got me one.
Yeah, we've got a nice day planned. We're having a nice meal and all this stuff. So
yeah, we're gonna have our favourite meal tonight. Just stay in.
Cool. Right, ready to go?
Yes, let's go.
Call back. Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not.
It is a beautiful day. It feels like spring.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah. So different. When I sent a picture to my mum, she was like, "Oh, wedding rings have changed these days." And I was like, "Well, it's probably more. It probably is more of an eternity ring, is it?"
It is an eternity. Yeah. A classic wedding band is a plain band, really, which I guess mums and women were used to back in the day.
Yeah. Not gold though.
We're not gold.
You're not a gold kind of guy.
That could be a gold guy.
You're not cool enough to be a gold guy. This was our living room. So nice. Yeah, I think something a bit more delicate. But you're quite delicate. We've got our wedding rings.
I'm too tall for this.
Are you excited?
I'm delighted, yeah, I'm very excited.
We're feeling super organised with wedding stuff this week because we had a wedding planning meeting yesterday at our venue, which was amazing, and we feel super organised. And we also met with our florist. We've pretty much booked our DJ, and now we've got our wedding rings sorted.
Hi, how you doing? That was really good actually, really nice. We felt very welcome there.
Beautiful boutique, we love them.
Some lovely rings. I think we kind of already had an idea what we wanted, so it was just good to confirm that we still liked the styles that we had in mind. I got to try on a few different styles. Lottie got to check that she still liked the ring that she loved.
And I do.
And yeah, it was nice. So really friendly.
Yeah, it was really
nice decor,
good.
Really nice little place actually.
So beautiful. So like I said, they're called Savvy and Sand, and they have a boutique in Hatton Garden and also here in New Bond Street. Sorry, I'm too short and Sam's getting annoyed. I never get him in shot. So yeah, it's where Sam chose my engagement ring, and they couldn't be more helpful and wonderful, and they've been amazing when helping to choose our wedding bands, because mine's actually like an eternity ring, isn't it? But
it's not your typical wedding ring, but it's nice.
It's a little bit different, which I really like. And now we're gonna go get food, aren't we?
Let's get some food, maybe a coffee.
Oh yes. Now home, and since this is kind of a wedding related vlog, I thought I would show you my wedding shoes. Now Sam accidentally got cleaning spray on the box, which I am really not happy about.
I'm sorry.
But anyway, I went with a brand called Freya Rose. They actually came up on like a sponsored post on Instagram, which is how I found out about them. But I got the Angel heels. They're like quite a high platform. They're like 6 inches, but the platform's about 2 inches, I think. But they are so beautiful because they have mother of pearl in the heels. So they've got like real pearl all in here, and they are so beautiful. They're just like an ivory platform heel, and I absolutely love them. I tried on lots of like kind of 4-inch heels that don't really have a platform, and I find them really uncomfortable. So it is a little later now, and we are about to go and do a workout. We have actually joined this new gym slash boxing place slash HIIT workout class. It's called 9 Round, and you get to keep boxing gloves and wraps and everything, and also a heart rate monitor, which I'm wearing now, which is quite cool. The premise of the class is, well, it's not really, how would you describe it? So it's not got any class times. You just turn up between the opening hours, and there's always a trainer there, and it's basically a HIIT workout with 9 stations, hence the name 9 Rounds, and at least kind of 4 or 5 of them involve like boxing, like with the bags, kickboxing, or like boxing with the pads, like the trainer will do it with you. I'm really out of breath already, so this is going to be great.
The circuit training, half an hour, 9 rounds of 3 minutes.
Yes, I didn't mention that. It's literally just a 30-minute workout, so you're in and out, and you're dripping with sweat at the end. Yeah,
it's good, and you do pick up a few boxing techniques as well. You get a bit of freestyle.
Yeah, I'm really badly coordinated though, so I always feel like he just thinks I'm an idiot, but yeah, I'm really excited. We're gonna go and do that. And get really sweaty, and then we need to pack for Vienna. We're going to Vienna tomorrow.
Oh yeah. Have you got the passports?
Shut up. That's a good point actually, because we did have to take our passports the other day to our local council to get certified to be married. What's it called?
Registered.
To
register your intention to marry, or
give
notice.
Give notice. It was a bit weird, but to answer a few weird questions. But I hope you've still got the passports.
Yeah, should do.
Good.
Hopefully.
So yeah, we're gonna go smash the workout. We just smashed it, and I'm super sweaty. And this is being filmed on my phone, so I'm sorry if it's bad. Did you have fun?
That's great. Love hitting bags.
Love hitting bags. Get out all the stress before a weekend away. You can see our flat from here, look. Yeah. Amazing. We'll see you at home for a nice dinner. So after a very nice Valentine's dinner, we frantically packed late last night for Vienna and updated our wedding spreadsheet and just feeling super organised. So it's now the next day and we're about to go to Vienna, which will be the next vlog. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed seeing inside the beautiful Savvy and Sand boutique. I just cannot recommend their amazing expertise enough. Is that my breakfast?
Yeah, breakfast.
Thank you. I will put all links and everything in the description box if you're looking for an engagement ring for someone or just a really nice gift, or if you're looking for wedding bands, etc, etc. So I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you did, hit the subscribe button for loads more content, and I will see you in the next one. Can you push this bit of, I've got hair sticking out.